Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of styling your long hair? You're not alone. As someone who's spent countless hours experimenting with different looks, I understand the desire for quick and easy hairstyles. The beauty of long hair is its boundless potential, a veritable playground for creativity. However, in today's fast-paced world, time is a precious commodity. A hairstyle that demands hours of effort is simply not feasible when you're juggling work, family, and everything in between. Think about it. Rushing out the door in the morning is already a challenge. Adding a complicated do to that equation, it's a recipe for stress. But don't despair. We've compiled a gallery of 7 incredibly simple, yet surprisingly stylish hairstyles that can be achieved in under 10 minutes. These aren't just quick fixes. They're versatile options that can elevate your everyday look, from casual outings to professional settings. Ready to discover how to unlock your long hair's potential without sacrificing precious time? Let's dive in. But here's where it gets interesting. Some of these styles might challenge conventional notions of easy, and we'll explore why. And this is the part most people miss, the subtle details that can transform a simple style into something truly special. Prepare to be inspired.